It's a no for me. I smear things, you know? The shit is this? I don't know. Oh shit, is that really that close? Oh, hello. Oh, look at them! Welcome to my channel. My name is Kat, and today we are doing something that it feels like we haven't done in a while, because we haven't. It is Lip Monthly. Yeah, that's what it's called. What? Every month I pay $12 for a monthly subscription bag, if you will, from, well, Lip Monthly. Am I blurry? We didn't do October's month because I didn't get the bag until October 31st, and I was like, whatever. And then it's December 11th, and this is November's bag. So we've had some trouble. It's okay. She's here. This is what the bag looks like for the month of November. I'm interested to see what's in here. It says, welcome to November, December. It's that time of year again when the days begin to get shorter and the weather continues to get colder for most of us. It says that. This month, your bag includes 3 amazing lippies and 1 non-lippy monthly mix-up from some of our favorite brands. That's all. Okay. Let's take a peek skis. What's the first little thing here? Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub. Okay. With shea butter, avocado, sweet almond, and pumpkin oil. For clean, exfoliated, supple lips. Okay. You'll have to excuse my tanned hands. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to do that right now, but I could use one of those, actually. Okay, next we have, well, this looks fun. Trifle Cosmetics Jelly Juice. What do you mean? Because that sounds great. Oh my god, look at my hands. Don't look at them! This is cute packaging. What the shit is this? Tinted Lip Glow. That's what she looks like. That. Let's have a go. Oh, okay. Oh, it's fine. Oh. Oh, it kind of tastes fun. But I feel like this would get everywhere. It tastes good, but I mean, yeah, it's pretty light. I feel like it would get everywhere, though, because I smear things, you know? Get rid of that. Next, we have this lip crayon. I feel like we've had something similar before, but that's pretty. Oh. That's pretty. I really like that. It feels very comfortable on the lips, if you will, and I like the color. Yeah, I really like that. I really like that a lot. What do you think? Yes? For our last item, it says eyeshadow. Whoa, I don't know how to say that. My cats are crazy right now. I don't know. I'll show you. Get this out. It's apparently Polly Pocket sized. It's in the, I'm assuming the color's name is Carrie. Oh, mate, this is very sad. This is very, oh, and the lid just comes right off, so, alright. Okay. Okay, this is going right in the garb skis. Can you see? Don't smell anything, but I like really dug in there hard. Oh. It's a no for me. So, for $12, I don't know what this is. This is an absolute joke. We got the butterfly lip scrub, which I'm excited. We should smell that. I really like the lip crayon that I'm wearing. The one before that, that's one that smelled good and looked cute. The Trifle Cosmetics Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. I'm probably never going to use that. I just feel like it doesn't dry down and it probably will get everywhere. Oh, scheiße. How many times are you going to lock this mother? I can't get in here safely, I don't think. I don't want to use my teeth for this, but it looks like... It's not happening for me right now. Oh my good Lord, just let me in. Let me in. That's all. Knock, knock. Let me in. Okay. Fudge. I said fudge, by the way. I know my mom got very angry with me because she watched one of my videos and I think I said a word that she did not approve of, but I'm sorry, Mom. That's just how I talk. I don't talk to my mother that way, but I talk to you guys how I talk to everybody else. Because you're my friends. I can't get in here, okay? Why? I just chipped a nail. Are you serious? Hang on. I accidentally put my tweezers right through it. After all that, it doesn't really smell like anything. Oh, why did I just put that on? Oh, no. Okay, well, I'm going to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye! Oh, no.